Hello everyone, welcome to Glorious Mathematics. Today we shall be considering quadratic equation. We are asked to factorization of a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is an equation in which the first letter is raised to the power of 2. Quadratic equation is of the form a squared plus ba plus or minus c, something like this. So c is always a constant term. It's a constant term. It does not have it's not an algebraic term. It does not have the letter. So if we have something like this, there are two equations to be considered: minus 12 and minus 4. Now, for a faster method of it, you look for the factor of 12. This is minus 12. You are looking for equations in which when you multiply them, you have minus 12. When you add them, you will have minus 4. It must be the same number. So let's go. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. These are all the factors of 12. Now, out of this, we are looking for the one that when you add it, you are going to have minus 4. So let's go. Now, if I decide to put, now since the 12 is a minus, the product is a negative. It's a negative product, which is minus 12. What I want to consider is one of the numbers must be negative. One of the numbers must be negative. And one of the numbers must be positive, because this is minus 4. So I want to say, because it's minus 4, the bigger number should be the one with the negative sign. The bigger number should be the one with the negative sign. So that is, this will be minus, this will be plus. Now, plus 1 times minus 12 is minus 12. But let's see, does it give us minus 4 as addition? Okay, plus 1 minus 12 is going to give us minus 11. So, it's totally out of the way. Let's do this and put plus here. Plus 12 times minus 6 will give us minus 12. That is correct. What about plus 12 minus 6 plus 2, plus 2 minus 6 will give us minus 4. So this is what we are looking for. So how do you write it? You're going to write x squared, the first equation. Then in place of this minus 4x, you replace it with this. It will now be plus 2x minus 6x, and you bring in the constant term, which is minus 12. Now you group it, you pair it. What is a common factor here? You have x. So here x is gone, so 1x is left. The x is gone, 2 is left. You bring out the minus. What's the common factor here? 6. So what do you have here? Now, if you remove minus 6 here, you are left with x. Negative, negative, you have positive. 12 divided by 6, you have 2. Looking at this equation now, what do you have? You can see that these two brackets are the same. So you bring this and this together, x minus 6, and you pick 1 out of this, x plus 2. You have succeeded in factorizing the equation. And if it goes further and say find the value of x, so x here will be x equal to 6 x is equal to 6, or x equal to minus 2. You have succeeded in factorizing the equation. I want to encourage you to like, to share, to comment. You can always leave your question in the comment section and I will attend to it. Thank you very much. Till we meet again next time.